Welcome to the Bureau of Engraving and Printing. Today, I'll show you how every single US dollar bill is made, from specialized paper.
Here, every machine, every process is designed for one thing: absolute precision and security.
Let's get started. And remember, subscribe for more videos like this.
Move the convoy through. Secure the gate.
Roger that. Gate closing now. All clear.
Check the viscosity on panel 4. It's fluctuating again.
Adjusting the flow rate now. Okay, stabilizing.
Much better. Consistency is back within tolerance.
Hydraulic pressure is spiking on the primary manifold.
Acknowledged. Increasing coolant flow and stabilizing the output.
Flagged. Imperfect sheet detected. Flagged. Imperfect sheet detected. Flagged. Imperfect sheet detected.
Temperature control. Infrared sensors ensuring uniform curing across every sheet. A fine mist of protective polymer being applied to increase durability and soil resistance.
Weight check. Each brick is weighed. An incorrect weight triggers an automatic rejection.
The pallet travels on a dedicated, guarded conveyor toward the loading bay.
Secure that pallet tightly, then lock it down.
Copy that. Almost done.
Secure the perimeter. Second container inbound.
This area here is completely worn. We have to remill the depth before we can polish it.
All right, I see the wear now.
Energy recovery. Heat recovery systems capturing thermal energy from the curing tunnels.
The new substrate allows for much finer micro-optics.
Yes, but the holographic stabilization is still drifting.
Let's try adjusting the field parameters here.
Morning, team. As a reminder, integrity and adherence to the access protocols are non-negotiable. Ensure all visitors are escorted and logged immediately.
The seal integrity here is compromised by 3 millimeters.
Noted. The CMM confirms the deviation on component 7.
Container 1 is secured in the bay. Confirm perimeter is Charlie Mike. Over.
All clear on the west side, boss. Moving to flank.
And that was the complete journey. Every single US dollar involves unparalleled engineering, relentless security, and the precision.
Modern currency manufacturing is a fusion of ancient artistry, cutting-edge innovation, and absolute trust.